Do you desire a lovely tone and a lovely body? Here are some easy exercises you may do at home to shape your body. 1. Squats. If you want a beautiful part and toned legs, this is the way to go. Squats are one of the most effective exercises. Squats are one of the most effective basic lower body exercises for targeting the gluteus maximus, the biggest muscle in the lower body. It also offers you a fantastic form by turning your legs, hips, thighs, calves, and even the core. Standing with your feet somewhat wider than shoulder width apart is a good idea. Push your hips out while gently lowering yourself, keeping your feet firmly on the ground. Toes should point forward, knees should be in front, and head and shoulders should be straight. Rise slowly and repeat the same. 2. Squat jumps. Squat jumps are great for reshaping your thighs and legs. They tone your backside, stomach, and whole body while building leg muscle and burning more fat. Your calves, glutes, hamstrings, core, and quadriceps will all be toned as well. Standing with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart is a good way to start. Hinge forward at the hips and squat with your buttocks. Bring your thighs parallel to the ground by bending your knees. Jump as high as you can into the air to strengthen your legs. From momentum, swing your arms down by your sides, keeping your back straight and chest high. Return to the floor with gentle knees and immediately squat again. 3. Plank. Because it stimulates all of the muscles in your core, the plank is one of the finest and most effective workouts for a flat, toned stomach. It helps in the development of core, shoulder, arm, and hip strength. On the floor, go into a push-up posture. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and lean on your forearms to support your weight. Maintain a straight and stiff torso, as well as a straight line from your ears to your toes with no drooping or bending. You should be staring at the floor with your head relaxed. Maintain the posture for as long as possible. Remember to take a few deep breaths. Slowly and steadily inhale and exhale. To keep the position, you must continually compress your abs. Pull the plug when your forms start to suffer. Hold this posture for 30 seconds while taking deep breaths. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are excellent for sculpting your upper body. It's a terrific arm, chest, triceps, and front shoulder muscle toning workout. It tones your arms, strengthens your chest for a more solid and formed breast, and stabilizes your abdominal muscle. Your buttocks and legs will also get stronger and slimmer. Begin in a high plank posture with your hands flat on the floor, shoulder width apart, and wrists beneath shoulders. Bend your arms and drop yourself as near to the floor as you can while keeping your body in one line. Your elbows should be at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. Push back up to a start. Please share your thoughts about the video in the comments area below. Do you like our videos? Please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to us for more tips and recipes. Here are 2 additional videos to watch, both of which will undoubtedly assist you in achieving your goals. Stay healthy.